You need to hear this if you're a curious mind. Did you know you're made of stardust? Yep, you heard that right. Every atom in your body except hydrogen was forged in the core of a star billions of years ago. Stars are like cosmic furnaces, fusing lighter elements into heavier ones. And when these stars explode as supernovae, they scatter those elements across the universe. Eventually, these atoms came together to form planets, including Earth. That means the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the oxygen you breathe were all once part of distant stars. Carl Sagan famously said, "We are made of star stuff," and it's literally true. Knowing that we have a cosmic connection gives life a new perspective. It's a reminder that we're part of a vast, ever-evolving universe, and every element in our body has an ancient cosmic history. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars, you're looking at your origins.